Tout le monde doit rester à la maison parce qu'il y a beaucoup de maladies.
Oui, et qu'est-ce qu'il faut faire
Et quand
aussi?
tu n'as pas de cousin, on doit rester à la maison. On veut voir ton ami et ton tata encore et ton grand-père.
Oui, et qu'est-ce qu'il faut faire aussi tout le temps?
Laver ton main.
Laver les mains.
Hello, all my friends. You have to stay home all because there's a lot of virus everywhere and you cannot go anywhere. If you don't have cousin, you have to stay home.
Yeah, and what do they need to do also?
Wash your hands all the time. Because we want to see all our friends back again.
Yeah, okay, please.
Because we miss you all.
Yeah. Please stay home.
Please stay home.
We love you.
We love you all.
شو عم تعملي؟
Working hard.
Working hard. شو عم تعملي؟ شو هيدا؟
Working.
Yeah, I know, but what are you working on?
Working on making good stuff. Like
Like-
this.
Show us your hard work. Look at that, guys. Kiki is making
Mama,
beautiful
look at this.
stickers.
What is this a lot? Look what you made sticker.
Quelle jolie. Daddy's gonna make something for us. Carly, what is Daddy making? Focaccia.
Mama, what is focaccia?
What's focaccia? Daddy will. Focaccia, Mama.
A bread.
It's a type of bread. Okay, are you? Look at that. Yum.
Mama.
So now the dough has been rising since the morning. We're going to add tomatoes, rosemary, and olives. Who's going to put the tomatoes?
Me.
Who's going to put the olives?
Me.
Who's going to put the rosemary?
Olives, Mom.
Here.
Oh, yeah.
Good job.
I want to put also tomato, Mommy.
You want to put tomato?
Yeah, it's a put tomato.
Yeah, don't touch it, Habiba.
These are black olives. It's black olives, Mama?
Yeah, there's brown and there's
Black.
green.
And also black olives.
These are called kalamata olives, right?
Yeah.
Who woke who up last night?
KK.
Okay, why?
Because she's so scared.
Why were you scared?
And now it's going to rain and the night they need to shoot me again. And then you came.
I came. I know I came. But why did you cry? Why were you scared?
Because I saw the windows, the storm. Open the windows?
No.
I saw the storm, the white storm light.
Oh, you saw like...
That's why I cried so much and I went so up.
Mama, don't be scared. It's only lightning and thunder. Doesn't do anything.
You know, in the thunder.
It's not thunder. It's...
No, thunder.
We're adding the
You see,
rosemary.
it's like this, right? You see how they're going up? You go down.
Okay. Rosemary is yummy.
You're eating rosemary.
Okay. A nice
is this?
drizzle of
What is
good olive oil.
What is that?
Olive
Olive
oil.
Olive oil.
And salt and pepper.
Huh?
Pepper too, Dad? Or no,
No, that's
just
it.
salt?
That's fine for now.
We're doing it. Your other leg. So I go in with this leg.
Yeah.